Seriously.
Poor criminal, but he's a real one.
You need a friend, man.
Stop!
Whoa, 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 whoa. Chill. Oh! Oh! Oh!
I got what I came for! I'm leaving! All this mayhem! Nothing to do with me! Hey, I
Seriously.
ain't done anything!
Hey, I haven't done anything yet.
She's the one behind this! Hey, you got some mess to clean up!
Seriously, I haven't done anything yet.
Trespassing!
Today,
That's
technically.
the most you got on me!
Yeah, really. Most he got is trespassing. Come on. Launch. Yeah, there we go. Whew. I should definitely be able to lose cops like this. If not, I'm a terrible, terrible flyer, but when has that ever gone right? I'll answer that for you. Never. I've never been able to fly a plane to save my life. And right now, my life definitely depends on it. I'll return the plane, maybe. Hey. I'll return the plane, maybe.